Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to automatically save your Instagram stories to your archive on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to automatically save your Instagram stories to your archive on Instagram on your iPhone, first open the Instagram app. And after opening your app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Simply tap on that. And over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that and these bunch of options will be available for us, where you'll be first required to tap on settings and privacy, and over here scroll down until you can find the options that says archiving and downloading, which is just above the accessibility guys. Simply tap on that archiving and downloading. And after that guys, you can see this first option where it says the save story to archive, and under it also says automatically save photos to videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone, only you can see your archive. And this is the button, or there is the toggle icon button available at the right side of the screen guys. So in order to turn the automatically save story to archive feature on the Instagram, you'll be required to turn it on, which is the blue. And after turning it blue guys, your stories will be started to archive automatically on the Instagram account. And with that being said guys, this is how you automatically save your Instagram stories to your archive on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.